Stem cell therapy.
Hello everyone, and great to see you all. And let me introduce myself. I'm Sutida Numchaitosapol.
And I am Jatiya Ngaeprom.
Today we will present about medical innovation.
That is
Stem cell therapy.
Category consists of introduction, body, conclusion, and question.
The human body consists of about 60 trillion cells that are renewed day by day to maintain homeostasis of the body tissue. Tissue stem cell is every tissue play a critical role in supplying those cells. It plays essential role in various phenomena such as histogenesis and recovery from damage by producing differently while dividing. And they do this by producing identical cell or by differentiating into the other type of cell.
First, body.
What is stem cell therapy and how does it work? Stem cell therapy, also known as regenerative medicine, promotes the repair response of disease, dysfunctional, or injured tissue. Use stem cell or their derivative. It's the next chapter in organ transplantation and use cell instead of donor organ, which are limited in supply. And its process this researcher grows stem cell into the lab, and these stem cells are manipulated into specific type of cell such as heart muscle, blood cell, and nerve cell. The specialized cell can then be implanted into the person. For example, if person have heart disease, the cell could be injected into the heart muscle. The healthy transplant heart muscle cell could then contribute to repairing defective heart muscle. Already know that adult bone marrow cell guiding to become heart-like cell can repair heart tissue in person, and more research is going on. Where do you get stem cell? The first one is embryonic stem cell, and this stem cell come from the embryo that's 3 to 5 days old, and this called blastocyst. These are pluripotent stem cell, meaning they can divide into more stem cell or can become any type of cell in the body. This versatility allows embryonic stem cell to become used to regenerative or repair diseased tissue and organ. The second is adult stem cell. These stem cells are found in a small number in most adult tissue, such as bone marrow and fat, and it has a more limited ability to give rise to various cells of the body than embryonic stem cell. Until now, researchers do adult stem cell could create only similar type of cell, such as the bone marrow could give rise red blood cell, white blood cell, or platelet. However, emerging evidence suggests that adult stem cell may be able to create various types of cells, such as bone marrow stem cell may be able to create bone or heart muscle cell. According to the research, the adult stem cell can reprogram to act similar to embryonic stem cell or pluripotent stem cell. This new technique may allow to use reprogrammed cell instead of embryonic stem cell and prevent immune system reject of the new stem cell. However, scientists don't know whether using other adult cell will cause adverse effect in human.
Perinatal stem cells Researchers have discovered stem cells in amniotic fluids as well as umbilical cord blood from pregnant women. Amniotic fluids fill the sac that surround and protect a developing fetus in the uterus. Embryonic fluid stem cell needs more study to understand their potential. Why is there such an interest in stem cell? Researchers and doctors hope stem cell study can help to increase understanding of how disease occur. By watching stem cell mature into cell in bone, heart muscle, nerve, artery organ, and tissue, researchers and doctors may better understand how disease and condition develop. Generate healthy cells to replace disease cells, regenerative medicines. And stem cell can be guided into become specific cells that can be used to regenerative and repair disease or damaged tissue in people. People who might benefit from stem cell therapy include with spinal cord injury, type 1 diabetes, Parkinson's disease, amyotrophic lateral sclerosis, Alzheimer's disease, heart disease, stroke, brain cancer, and osteoarthritis. Stem cells may have the potential to be growth to become new tissue for use in transplant and regenerative medicines. Researchers continue to advance the knowledge on stem cells and their application in transplant and regenerative medicine. Test new drugs for safety and effectiveness before using investigational drugs in people. Researchers can use some type of stem cell to test the drug for safety and quality. This type of testing will most likely first have a direct impact on drug development first for cardiac toxicity testing. New area of study include the effectiveness of using human stem cells that have been programmed into tissue-specific cells to test new drugs. For the testing of new drugs to be accurate, the cell might be programmed to acquire properties of the type of cell targeted by the drug. Technique to program cells into specific cells continue to be studied. For instance, nerve cells could be generated to test a new drug for a nerve disease. Tests would be show whether the new drug had any effect on the cell and whether the cell would have stem cells already been used to treat disease. Yes, doctors have performed stem cell transplant, also known as bone marrow transplant. In stem cell transplant, stem cell replace cell damaged by chemotherapy or disease, or serve as a way for the donor immune system to fight some type of cancer and blood-related disease, such as leukemia, lymphoma, neuroblastoma, and multiple myeloma. Thus, transplant use a daughter stem cell or umbilical cord blood. Researchers are testing adult stem cells to treat other conditions, include a number of degenerative diseases such as heart failure.
To summarize a topic, the stem cells are primitive or unspecialized cells that are able to develop and become specialized cells of the body, such as liver cell, muscle cell, blood cell, or other cell with specific function. The function of stem cell is self-renewal and differentiate into other type of cell to renew and repair the exciting tissue. The stem cell can be taken from different places such as embryonic stem cell, adult stem cell, and perinatal stem cell. Nowadays, we use stem cell replacement treatment to promote the repair response of disease, dysfunctional, or injected tissue, such as type 1 diabetes and Parkinson's disease, or Alzheimer's disease, and other disease that my friend told you. The end. Okay, do you have any question? If you have question, you can contact us, or you can search in the internet or Google for your more understand. And thank you for your attention. Bye bye.
Thank you for watching.